Isabel?
Thanks, Anu. Well, at first glance, it looks like a robotic spider, but it's actually much more than that. This is the Raindrop Eco Spider. It's a trash-eating, environmentally friendly machine that also uses what it eats as fuel.
Of course it is.
How smart is that? It was created by a 10th grader, of all things, for right here in the Bay Area. It's now on display at the Chabot Space and Science Center in Oakland.
And joining us this morning is the inventor of the Echo Spider, is Jack Leeds, a sophomore at Oakland's Tech High School, and Melissa Russo also joins us. She's the director of institutional advancement at Chabot Space and Science Center in Oakland. Welcome to both of you. Thanks for breaking the rain to make it here this morning. Jack, tell us a little bit about how you came up with the idea for the spider.
Well, I always had that idea in my mind, but I just never put it down on paper yet. So when my supervisor told me to enter the contest, I just draw down what I thought about it. Mm-hmm. And I've been trained in a lot of environmental knowledge in that at Chabot, so I just combine all of these elements to design the robot, basically.
So basically, this is the size of about a fire hydrant, right?
Yeah.
So basically, how does it work?
So it'll just roam the street and just pick up these garbage that it finds.
But it's battery run, or how's it run?
Well, it uses multiple sources. To kick off the garbage eating, it will use sources such as solar power. And then it will pick up these garbage and it will somehow use that to convert it into energy and surplus energy such as batteries.
So it's self-sustaining?
Yes.
Okay. How does it know what's garbage and what isn't?
Well, I was thinking about artificial intelligence that's able to distinguish those.
But one man's trash is another man's treasures, as they say, Jack.
Somebody could be, stop, I was saying that.
Well, that was...
This is part of the plan you have to work out, is this it? But very lovely. How exciting for you was this?
I was very surprised, basically.
You were like 10 or 15 kids?
Correct. Right.
Tell us a little bit more about some of those.
Well, this was a competition that was for the kids to be chosen to open the exhibit. So we chose 3 different groups, 3 different inventions for exhibition. And on an ongoing basis, we have what's called an invention station. And at the exhibit, when visitors come, they can draw their own inventions, their own green machines. They can submit those, and we've already, in the first 10 days, I think we've gotten like 300 submissions. And on a monthly basis, we'll be choosing some of those to display the drawings, but also some of them, like Jack's, we will actually be fabricating those and putting them on exhibition. So it's a very exciting way for us to interact with our visitors and have visitors inspired to create these green machines.
That's fantastic. Jack, how long had you been dreaming and thinking about building something like this?
The idea was kind of fresh, like on the same week. So
the same week.
Yeah.
He's quick. He's quick. MIT's going to like it. That's where Jack says he wants to go. Meanwhile, Melissa, let's talk about that Bill Nye Climate Lab that you've got over there.
It opened. The Bill Nye's Climate Lab actually opened in 2010.
Oh, okay.
It really has been the most popular exhibition we've ever had.
We're taking a look at it there.
Right, and what's very exciting about it is it's based on really on gaming, and kids of course love gaming, and so it inspires them. They have a little RFID card that they carry around, and they go to the different stations, and each time they learn and they collect points at each station. And so this new iteration of the exhibit, this Bill Nye's Climate Lab 2 Lab Dash, we've really bumped that up. It's really exciting. The kids are running around, very enthused. It's wonderful to watch them. There's a lot more hands-on interactive. There's a much more hands-on interactive element in this exhibit, in this iteration, and the kids are loving it. So we're very excited. And the Invention Station, I think, is one of the most successful features of this.
And we understand that later on this month you're going to have a special for kids who are 50 and older.
Right. Our senior day.
About the video of the Tales of the Maya Skies.
Right. Well, that's on December 22nd. That's the day after December 25th. I'm sorry, December 21st, when the world is supposed to end. At Chabot, we choose to think of it as a new
beginning.
A new beginning.
Yeah.
Begin the Baktun. So that's the second phase of the Mayan calendar, and we are featuring our a whole day of festivities, actually, including our Tales of the Maya Skies, which is our planetarium show.
Video looks terrific.
Yeah, it's a wonderful show.
Well, we know Chabot is a Space and Science Center is a wonderful place to be. It's located on Skyline Boulevard in Oakland, and for more information, you can go to their website, chabotspace.org.
Jack, congratulations.
Oh,
Thank
we
you.
expect to hear big things from him, don't we?
Yeah, exactly. Come on back when you can say, I remember when, and maybe 10 years from now or something, when you build something else for us. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Melissa,
you.
thank you.
Thank you so
We'll be
much.
right back.